going to the Brohard Paw Park.
And someone's so excited to go. Woo!
It's an off-leash dog park where we can swim in the beach with our dogs. One of the reasons we moved here is it's kind of rare to find in Florida, so it was actually a really big plus, and I'm sure you'll love it.
So let's go. So the dog beach is on Venice Island. We're just gonna let you see what we see on the way there. Brohard Dog Park and Beach is a popular destination for dog owners visiting the Venice, Florida area. Located at 1600 Harbor Drive South, the park offers a range of amenities for dogs and their humans to enjoy. The park is situated on a large piece of land measuring over 13 acres with a portion of it dedicated to the dog beach area. The beach is a great spot for dogs to run and play in the water with ample space for them to splash around and cool off in the Florida sun. The beach is open from 7 a.m. to sunset. We're here, Mellow! Mellow, are you excited? Mellow. She's ignoring me. Mellow.
Are you excited?
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. She can hardly wait.
And there are restrooms and shower stations available for both dogs and their humans. The park is well maintained and cleaned regularly. The park also features a separate fenced-in area for dogs to run and play off-leash for those with more energetic or rambunctious pups. There are benches and shaded areas for dog owners to relax while their dogs play, and water stations throughout the park to keep dogs hydrated. Just keep walking.
Perfect.
Come on, baby! So as you can see, people are laying out. You can bring your chairs, blankets, something to eat, and make a day of it. Just be careful because dogs will pee on your stuff. Over there you have Sharky's Pier. There's Sharky's. So this part of the beach is just for the dogs. All off leash so they can just run and play and have fun. What are you doing? see, our beaches are pretty natural. There's nothing built up. And if you keep walking that way, you go to Casperson. That's a long walk, but you can walk it. So this is the park. It's where a lot of people will bring their babies after a good swim and then rinse them off.
Not so bad. Okay.
Here are some tips for you and your furry friends to stay safe and have fun at the beach. Number 1. Bring fresh water in a bowl. Drinking the salty water at the beach can be harmful to your pooch and may cause diarrhea. Discourage them by offering a fresh bowl of water throughout your stay. Number 2, provide shade. Providing shade can help your dog keep their body temperature cool and let them rest out of direct sunlight when needed. To provide shade at the beach, there are a variety of products you can choose from, such as pop-up tents, beach tents, umbrellas, and sunshades. Number 3, life vest. Before you make a day of it at the beach, make sure your pooch can swim. Not all dogs are built to swim, and having a life jacket is well worth keeping them safe. If you're at the beach on a particular rough day and high waves, it will definitely pay off to have a life vest. Number 4, bring treats and beach toys. Let's face it, they are just like kids. If other dogs have some, they'll want what they have as well. Number 5, don't forget the poop bags. Most areas will provide dog waste bags, but sometimes they might be out. Pack some in your beach bag because no one wants to feel hot dog poo ooze between your toes. Number 6, fill any holes your dog digs. It is always important to fill holes your dog digs because of the hazards it will bring to people and the coastal wildlife. Also, holes in the sand can be deadly to sea turtle nestings. Number 7, be mindful of coastal wildlife. When visiting the beach with your dog, keep your dog as far away from wildlife as possible. Do not allow them to chase birds on the beach. It's just not cool. Birds migrate, and many times you see a large number. They have landed to rest, eat, and preen their feathers to keep them in tip-top shape. 8, rinse them off with fresh water. Before you head out, an immediate freshwater rinse will wash all the sand and salt and help keep your pooch's coat and skin in healthy condition. And most of all, have fun and enjoy the day with your pooch. I hope these tips are helpful, and if you have any tips to share about beach safety and fun, drop a comment below. So we really hope that you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you next week as we hang out at Blind Pass on Sarasota County. Trying to find some shark teeth. Mellow, where'd you go?